folks, once again, it's Captain James Nelson here with Dude Craft Guitars. Oh, it's over here. There's the logo. Look at that. Is that cool? This is a new one-off, but again, I'll always make more. This is a Sophia, which ironically, well, actually, non-pretentiously because of, has a Sophia tremolo. So, you know, we got a new model, got to come up with a new name. We're throwing a Sophia on it, so why not? All the other specs and details are over here in the description. Yeah, so this is one of those demo videos where I show proof of concept that it does work, and I'll be all up and down on the fretboards, showing that there's no buzz, and most importantly, showing that I have no idea what I'm doing on a guitar, especially a 7-string multi-scale. But hey, you know, it's all fun. That's what it's all about. So let me give you some noise. This is going to be middle position to start, as I usually do, and also as I usually do, I'll switch to a different pickup other than the one that I'm actually saying that I'm switching to. No, actually, I'll just do it. I'll just switch it and I won't say anything. Maybe I'll put in captions. There you go, Mr. Editor. Put in captions. All right, so. I'll also put in a link for Sophia tremolos. Check them out. There you have it. Chandler, she's ready, man. It's a beautiful guitar. What can I say? You know, it just, yeah. Again, folks, thanks again for tuning in to Dude Craft Guitars.